The Reduced Sodium Meal Kit Production Line. Here is where all 10 components comprising the Reduced Sodium Meal Kit come together and are packaged. All components are rolled over in large bins and then boxed and loaded onto vertical rolling racks, where the assembly team begins packing each item onto the styrofoam tray used as a base plate. As the tray moves down the conveyor line, workers load their items. Once the tray is full, the belt reaches the banding stations. The worker inserts the filled tray into the bander, and it is tightly wrapped with a clear plastic band. This process holds the kit together as it moves through the plastic shrink wrap process. The banded kit is now aligned on the conveyor belt to enter the shrink wrap units. The first unit covers the kit in clear plastic and cuts it off the roll. The second unit pulls the plastic firmly around the entire kit. The next unit heats up the shrink wrap and it firmly grips the meal kit. The next station lot codes the meal kit. Now it is loaded into our rolling bins and is moved to the casing line. Each meal is coded so the operators can determine the production date and type of entree. This line is over 75 feet in length and requires up to 20 employees to run. We have 2 of these lines, enabling us to produce up to 30,000 completed meal kits in an 8-hour period.